So I think that's where, from an ecosystem perspective, the term admin is very overconflated, right? Because admins also do development, they also do a kind of operations on the platform, right? Adding a user to a queue. So
Yeah.
there is a lot of activities that they do, which is basically they using the platform, right? And then we are combining those activities into a DevOps pipeline where we are asking all the DevOps processes, right? We are shifting everything towards the left, and we are saying,
Mm.
okay, hey, we will use version control to deploy and deploy that to production. But you see the issue there, right? On one end, I'm supposed to use the system. I'm supposed to go to production. I'm supposed to do an operational activity, right? At the
Mm.
same time, we are asking them, hey, oh, you should not touch production. You should do everything from version control perspective, right? And then you should flow that across 5 or 6 environments later on to production, right? So there's a conflict between those, and the kind of notion in the community that, hey, main branch represents production, this branch represents this environment, this represents the state of environment, and then you get tooling trying to do all those kind of stuff, right? That's when I met Ramsey and we were discussing, the troubles with packaging and projects because projects were not understanding it. And he was like, maybe we need to take it in a very different kind of model, right? So maybe we need to think that packages and all those aspects represent development, right? And then you
Mm-hmm.
can have, right, they represent the architecture of the system. They represent what you need to be developed rather than what does need to be operated on, right? And then
Mm.
you get your other configurations and stuff, which is basically you are configuring on top of it, right? And how do we identify those boundaries? So that's thinking, and from that angle, we started more on the concept of DX at scale and those kind of terminologies around that.